हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसे कि स्क्रीन पे गोदरेज इंडस्ट्री मैंने बताया है, बट आई विल से नॉट टू बाय दैट बिकॉज कैंडल एंड वॉल्यूम इज नॉट गिविंग अ प्रॉपर कंफर्मेशन। एंड द थिंग इज दैट बेसिकली इन द मार्केट राइट नाउ इज लाइक, अगर बाइंग जिस दिन ज़्यादा होती है तो बाइंग का वॉल्यूम नहीं रहता है, और सेलिंग ज़्यादा होती है तो सेलिंग का भी कभी कभार वॉल्यूम नहीं रहता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वॉल्यूम है। लाइक सी हियर, देयर इज अ वॉल्यूम, little volume, buying का volume, you know, this whole part is confusing कि यहाँ पे मार्केट कहना क्या जा रहा है। एंड इफ मार्केट गोज अप बाय to, like on Monday, more than 0.5%, and if it have a decent volume, then we can confirm that के मार्केट को करना क्या है। I'll show you what I did in my stocks, like the stock I bought, and if you are seeing the video from last 4 5 days, you'll say कि क्या हो गया ये. So which is little shocking for me when I saw that, but I have to take the decision what chart shows, not what that my mind says. तो मैंने चार्ट को देख के डिसीजंस लिए हैं, like sticking on my rules. First is Jyoti Lab, and I'm still holding Jyoti Lab, and it is up from 2.78%. So this is the card trade, and I'll tell you again that I bought card trade again, and the buying price is near 6% something. And I don't know right now. I'm on a break even or a small profit, which doesn't count. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि मैंने यहाँ पे सेल किया था on this candle on somewhere yes percent, and then again I'm buying day after tomorrow on this candle. For a new trader which are seeing this video, and जिन्होंने अभी अभी स्टार्ट किया है, मे बी 6 months 1 year, you know it will sound like bullshit that what is the reason to buy here. अगर तुम होल्ड करते तो तुम्हें वापस लॉस में जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं रहती, लॉस बुक करने की. बट द थिंग इज दैट ऑन दिस कैंडल व्हेन इट टुक saw the large candle of falling 6%, every, like, there was a one thing in my mind that I was going into the loss and market is not good right now, so better take the small loss, and if it gives the entry, so take a री एंट्री. बट मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये इतना जल्दी आ जाएगा री एंट्री. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से, बट हैविंग द, अगर एक बार मैं प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेता यहाँ पे एंड देन वापस मैं यहाँ पे बाय करता, देन इट विल बी स्टिल ओके. बट मैंने लॉस में लेके वापस बाय किया है, सो या इट वाज अ लिटिल terrifying, but I bought it, and let's see what the market does next, because same thing is happened with my one more stock, which is not Sanko. Sanko is strong, but seeing the selling side from up, yeah, this one. Uh, like there is a rule in trading in the zone, in which say that every day, every minute, every second is unique in the market. We can say that history repeats, but history repeats in patterns. But every patterns are unique. Like it's not necessary कि जो लास्ट टाइम पैटर्न में जैसे मार्केट मूव किया था सेम वैसे ही करेगा इस टाइम भी. Example is the Hindenburg thing, that the first time when Hindenburg reported about Adani को छोड़ के क्या दूसरे stocks भी गिरे थे. Even market was falling very good, like very brutally. And second time when Hindenburg take the same pattern and come with news about SEBI and all, and at this time pattern was same, but market doesn't replied, or market ने जरा भी उस बात पे ध्यान ही नहीं दिया, so pattern couldn't work. So I think मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ था. I bought here, you know and it at this point maybe, you know market was go, like stock was ready to go upside, but market was going down, so that fails. And now market is again up, and also stock is going up. So that's by seeing that is very good point. Let me show you. It's a date 9th August. So in 9th August, if you see, it's little similar that 9th August को market यहाँ पे था and Skinder was on the top, and again when market crosses that, Skinder is trying to go up again. So yeah, we can see that Skinder is replicating the market. So that could be the also the one thing. But my thing was to stop my losses as soon as possible, and go with the profits. So that was the thing. And yeah, it is first I took this decision, it was a MCX, and now second is car trade and Skinder Electric. So let's see, in MCX I made a good profit. So let's see in Skinder and car trade, because in MCX it was nearly 10% up, which was quite good for me. And if we plus minus, I was getting nearly 8-7% profit, which was good, because sitting in hope at this point, it was very risky. अगर मार्केट यहाँ से ऊपर नहीं जाता तो मे बी दिस स्टॉक कैन फॉल टिल एंड मुझे यहाँ पे लॉस बुक करना पड़ता. So that is the thing. Right now Stell is showing little weakness, but it's not a proper weakness because there is no volume also. So maybe the way Jyoti Lab has performed, that by sticking to the can like 20 moving average. So maybe this can happen. Yeah. And high tech has performed very well. I got nearly for 14-15%. Uh, I'll show you. Yeah, it is 15%, 16%, and I took 50% of profit today. Because I was, high tech was having a good volume, and if market would be like on the all time high, I think high tech ने इससे ज़्यादा like returns दिया रहता था. But due to up down was very much in high tech, तो मैंने 50% book कर लिया, and now the rest of is like go with flow. NBCC has rocked up today, like on on the morning, like stock was like literally down, and I was like कि आज तो मुझे लग रहा था कि लॉस हिट हो जाएगा. And like loss profit, it's still okay. But mind got disturbed when from continuous every day, like from 2-3 days you start booking loss only. So at that time you have to take decisions that उस time पे mind you feel like that everything is okay, but at some side of your some mind becomes little greedy कि अब मुझे कैसे भी profit चाहिए या कुछ चाहिए. So at that time it's best to stop trading for 2-3 days, and it again mind like it will take time, but it will be like again normal. So while taking the loss, I was thinking that अगर MBCC भी हुआ, so on the last video only I told that I'm not gonna buy any stock for next 2-3 days, but eventually stock has gone up nearly 6% and it ended on 5.28. So that was a very good thing. But if you see, like uh, every one stock in 7-8 stocks, volume manipulation हुआ है, because I was watching a stocks to buy also afterwards. So वहाँ पे भी volume manipulation दिख रहा था, and which was a not very convincing, like seeing the volume, there was a no very like proper buying point नहीं आ रहा था. So I will say again that right now the market is, very, it is confusing. Like, so better you confirm twice, or, you can take a entry on morning rather than on afternoon, or like 3 o'clock at market ending time, because, तब तक market पूरा change हो जाता है. Because it happened with me PTC, which I'll show you in later in this video, like after HBL. And HBL is giving a wonderful pattern, and if it goes from up like this from here, I think it will rock, and it is also having a good volume on buying side. So that's a thing to watch. I won't say that electro still has broke the pattern, because this is the low, and if it goes up, I think that it's a point to buy, but let's see. That's why I have kept the, sometimes whatever stocks you sell, you have to keep them in watch list for some days, or sometimes. because maybe it can give a re-entry. So जैसे कि कार ट्रेड में और एंड दैट स्किंडर में हुआ है, सो वैसे कोई भी स्टॉक में हो सकता है. सो आई एम कीपिंग दिस ऑल्सो विथ मी राइट नाउ, बट मैंने अभी तक बाय नहीं किया है. एंड पीटीसी वॉज द लार्ज स्कैम. लाइक मैंने ऑल लाइक वेनेसडे अगस्त पे हाई पे मैंने बाय किया, और मैंने 16 अगस्त को बेचा. नॉट डेज लो, मैंने बेचा था अराउंड 2008 2010 के आसपास. सो बट इट वाज वेरी बैड. आई वाज लाइक क्या करूँ उसका, मुझे लग रहा नहीं था कि लाइक क्या मेरे मन में आया और मैंने बाय किया. बट seeing that big red candle, I was convinced to buy. And I thought maybe market PTC is taking a reversal, और मैंने बाय किया था, बट इट वाज नॉट द सेम थिंग. And it was showing selling. And yeah, and if you'll see, maybe वापस यहाँ पे वो 200 मूविंग एवरेज तक आएगा, और वापस वहाँ से मे बी लाइक बाउंस बैक करेगा. बट नाउ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बाय, because after that point the that pattern will be fail. वो करना, I'm just keeping in watch list, nothing I'm going to do right now. Gen Z is the stock I'm thinking to buy at Monday morning. Like stock is making a wonderful pattern, and this is a pivot point if you see. And if stocks goes about it at Monday morning, I think it's a good buy. So I'm gonna buy it, because volume was very good at this call. Is at this both red candles there was no volume, like ना के बराबर था. And then this is a giving a good volume. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this stock on Monday morning. Policy बाजार, लाइक नथिंग टू स्टे. जब बाय करना था तब बाय किया नहीं, और जब नहीं करना था तब नहीं किया. So at the end I'll say guys that uh, just take some time and just trade calmly. Don't be greedy, and don't trade against the market. And yeah, don't be like so overconfidence that जो मैंने किया है वो सही हो सकता है, because you never know when market will prove you wrong. So that's it for today, and have a happy Sunday. Thank you, bye bye, see you in next video.